Hi friends, today I am going to discuss operator overloading. Okay, here C++ provide option to overload operators. We can make operators to work for user defined classes. For example, plus operator for string class is used to concatenate two strings to remove space between two strings. Okay, like we can add two names, Ram plus Ramesh. Okay, it will, if you use plus operator, then it will become Ram Ramesh. Okay, and we know single plus operator when placed between integer operands adds them. Okay, like 2 plus 3 becomes 5. Okay, now we'll see how to do it in C++. Okay, I will show you using Visual Studio Code. Okay guys, I have already written the libraries which are required and the class function, and it is complex. Okay, means we can add two complex numbers or the vector directly, like if you use, okay, here see this is one vector 10 plus 5i and 2 plus 4i or the complex number. Okay, there is no option in C++ to add it directly, so we are defining the class complex for 10 plus 5i and 2 plus 4i, and using plus operator we can add these two objects. Okay, initially this is the constructor, and private variable we are storing real value and imaginary value, and here the complex operator plus function, the operator is plus. Okay, and the complex constant object, and it is by reference. Okay, now let's call the two objects, complex objects. Okay, c1 with 10 and 5, c2 with 2 and 4. Okay, initially 10 comma 5 will move into this real and imaginary. Okay, then if we call c3 equal to c1 plus c2, or this is like c1 of c2. Okay, and this real will store 10 and this imaginary will have 5. Okay, now if we add c2, then this will move into this. Okay, and the object c2 have real as 2 and imaginary as 4, so object dot real will become 2. Okay, this will become, already we have 10 as real. Okay, from c1. Okay, again object dot real will become 2 because here the object is c2. Okay, this will become 10 plus 2, and here similarly the imaginary part is already from c1, it has 5. Okay, and the imaginary part from c2 is 4 because c2 is the object called here. Okay, so 5 plus 4. Okay, if we print this c3 dot print using this function, then we will get the output as 12 plus I into 9. Okay, 12 plus I into 9. Okay, this is for plus operator overloading. Similarly, you can do it for assignment operator, like you can do it for equal to, or like you can keep as comma. Okay, instead you can even call here comma, then you have to write here as comma. Okay, then this will take as C1 comma C2, and comma will become operator. Thank you guys, please do subscribe. And at last we have something like which we cannot overload. Like I will show, this cannot be overloaded. Okay, this dot and this question mark like this and size of these things cannot be overloaded in C++. Okay, thank you guys, please do subscribe.